Hey guys, in this video I will be teaching you how to log into your Rabobank account on your desktop. If you're having trouble logging into Rabobank, make sure to watch till the end. Now let's move ahead. If you're on your desktop, open any web browser and then type rabobank.com. Now you will be directed towards the website of Rabobank, as you can see like this on your screen. So on your top right corner near search option, you see a login button. So click on there and then you will be directed to the login page of Rabobank. As you can see on screen, you see a QR code. So on your bottom, you can use different methods like login using Rabo scanner, login using random reader comfort, or else you can also use your email or one-time password to log in. So if you need any help with this, there is an option called help with logging in. So you can just click on there. But for now, we are logged in using a random reader comfort. So click on there. Now on your screen, you see account number, card number in your login code. So just simply provide your account number and then your card number. If you want your reader to remember your information, you can see an option just near the card number as remember. So you can just stick on there, or if you don't want, just unclick it again. So on your bottom again you see a login code option. So provide your login code and then you will be done. After you're done with this, again you can see a login option near login code. So again click on there and you will be logged into your Rabobank account. So in this way you will be logged into your Rabobank account. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and give us a like.